Hey guys, welcome to the first week of HM 4340. I am so sorry that DQ isn't there, but it should be there today, Monday, and within the next couple of hours. So I apologize for that inconvenience. We had a couple of tech issues with this class getting going. So anyway, I am thrilled to see all of you back. I look forward to working with you again. One thing I wanted to mention, the deadlines are a little bit different this time, so please make sure that you're making note of them. And also please note that my expectations for your writing are much higher than the last time I saw you in 3310 and 3150. So please make sure that you are doing outside research, you're citing your sources correctly in APA format, that you are checking for grammar and spelling and punctuation and capitalization, all of those things. Make sure that each paragraph has an opening statement, and then you have your analysis and support, and then kind of ends with a concluding statement and a transition to the next paragraph. So really focusing on developing those skills and using professional writing. If you have any questions, you know how to get in touch with me, email, box, or phone, you name it. I am here for you, and I look forward to a great 4 weeks with you. Take care, guys.